You're not starting without me, are you?
Oh, I was. Where you been?
I went pee deep in the water somewhere. Tuners, you gotta know what time it is.
It's Brutank time.
Let's fill her up with ice and get started.
Look at you. Good job. There's been a lot of chaos going on right here.
Yeah, well, that's us. It's us. Normal chaos.
All right, we're going to start with some peach rum.
And I'm gonna follow her with some regular rum. Wow, that was so pretty.
And then we're going with some truly pineapple mango vodka.
Oh man, that sounds really good. I'm going to add some pineapple as this drink just gets more and more beautiful. Tuners, we don't know what we're going to name it, so down below in the comments, if you can think of something, go ahead and do so. We'll might maybe guess something after we taste it.
All right, and we're going to finish it off with some Hawaiian Punch Polar Blast.
That stuff is so pretty. It really is. Look what it does. Oh my gosh. That is so sexy. Man.
Wow.
Like if you could leave,
perfect.
Just leave it just like that. It's so beautiful, right?
We need some spoons.
Yeah, we do. Let's get them. Okay, ready. There you go, baby. I made a drink for you.
Thank you.
All right. Here we go. Let's try it out. Oh my.
It's pretty yummy.
Oh my.
I don't even know what it tastes like. What is
I got nothing. I got nothing to call it. Try it. And wish you could. Wish you were here. It is one of those days. It's a beautiful day here on the lake.
Yes, it is. Guys, check out our Amazon storefront. We have a Brutank on there and a ton of other fun lake things.
You'll enjoy it. Thank you, tuners. Man, I just don't know what to call that one.
I don't either.
But it is good.
We're drinking it all. So good.
Oh, don't get in the way. You know what they call that? She's the Brutank bitch.
Call me a bitch.